Hi guys, Victoria here. I wanted to start a series on how I style some of my favorite movie characters and TV show characters. And today is pretty simple. I wanted to show how I did Rachel Green's from Friends, also known as Jennifer Aniston. So follow along. I went ahead and blow dried my hair last night, which helps the process of straightening it today, and it cuts the time in half. And last night I used the Sexy Hair Big Root Pump and Kendra Professional's blow dry spray, and it helps really smooth out everything, and it helps with heat protectant. And because I blow dried my hair last night, it's going to really help cut the time in half for straightening the hair. I take about 3 or 4 sections, and then I'm using the Sexy Hair Style Protect Me. It's also a heat protectant, which is super important. And as you can see, I'm using the Paul Mitchell Pro Tools. I've had this one for a while. And then after each section of straightening, I kind of curve the straightener in, and it kind of gives it that little swoop effect. It's nice and simple, and then I'm taking a little bit of a roller and letting that little swoop kind of set in, and then I'm using the Wax Blast 10 to help with the flyaways. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you at the next one.